Hi, and welcome to another edition of 5 Minute Finance, where we help you understand complex financial concepts and news in just 5 minutes or less. I'm Larry Mindrink, certified financial planner, accredited investment fiduciary, and founder of Park Lake Advisors. With tax day just around the corner, we wanted to share some last-minute tips to help you prepare for filing your taxes. Whether you're a first-time filer or a seasoned veteran, these tips can help you ensure you're getting the most out of your tax return. First and foremost, make sure you have all the necessary documents. By now, hopefully you have this step taken care of. Documents include W-2s from your employer, 1099s from any freelance or contract work, and receipts or statements for any deductions you plan to claim. It's also important to have your Social Security number or tax identification number handy. Next, consider filing an extension if you need more time. While the deadline to file is April 18th this year, you can file an extension that will give you until October 15th to file your return. Keep in mind, though, that an extension only gives you more time to file your return, not more time to pay any taxes owed. So if you think you'll owe money, it's best to estimate how much and make a payment by the April deadline. This can help reduce any penalties or interest you may owe on the amount of taxes that you owe. If you can't pay the full amount owed, you may be able to set up a payment plan with the IRS. Another thing to consider is taking advantage of any last-minute deductions or credits you may be eligible for. At this point in time, this is probably limited to any retirement plan contributions, but be sure to consult with a tax professional or use tax software to make sure you're maximizing any deductions as well as credits. Finally, be sure to double-check your return for errors or omissions before submitting. Even minor mistakes can cause significant delays in the processing of your return, or even trigger an audit. Make sure all of your information is accurate, up to date, and entered correctly. Check for any misspelled names, incorrect Social Security numbers, or other identifying information, and incorrect calculations. Be sure to sign and date your return, and keep a copy for your records. Taking the time to carefully review your tax return can help you ensure that your return is processed correctly and that you receive the full benefit of any deductions or credits you qualify for. To recap, it's essential to ensure that you have all the necessary documents. You should consider filing an extension if you need more time, and you should pay as much as possible before the deadline. Take advantage of any tax deductions or credits and thoroughly review your return for errors or omissions. By following these tips, you can maximize your tax return and avoid penalties or interest you may owe. As previously mentioned, be sure to speak with a tax professional about your specific situation. That's it for today's episode of 5 Minute Finance. I hope it was informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to email us at info@parklakeadvisors.com or reach us by phone 517-887-9905. If you're listening to our podcast or watching us on YouTube, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Be sure to follow Park Lake Advisors on social media platforms such as Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter for more quick financial bites. Thank you for joining, and until next time, happy learning and good luck with your taxes.